Let's look at the steps of the moving process. 1. You have an initial consultation with SDC International Shipping. Once you've decided to move to the U.S. Virgin Islands, the first step in the moving process is to schedule an initial consultation with SDC International Shipping. During this consultation, a dedicated relocation specialist will work with you to assess your unique needs, preferences, and timeline for your move. They will provide valuable guidance on the various services, including packing, shipping, and custom clearance, and help you create a customized moving plan tailored for your requirements. Second, you will pack and label belongings. With your moving plan in place, the next step is to prepare your belongings for shipment to the U.S. Virgin Islands. SDC International Shipping offers professional packing services to ensure your items are packed and secured for transit. Their team of experienced packers will use high-quality packing materials and techniques to safeguard your belongings against damage during transportation. Each item will be meticulously labeled and inventoried to facilitate tracking and organization throughout the moving process. Third, transportation options. While transporting your belongings to the U.S. Virgin Islands, SDC International Shipping offers flexible transportation options to suit your needs and budget. Depending on the size and volume of your shipment, you may choose between AirFryte and Seafryte services. AirFryte offers quick delivery for smaller shipments, while Seafryte is cost-effective for larger items and household goods. Your relocation specialist will help you select the most suitable transportation method based on your requirements and preferences. 4. Custom clearance procedures. Navigating custom clearance procedures is essential to the moving process while relocating to the U.S. Virgin Islands. And fortunately, SDC International Shipping has extensive experience handling international shipping and will easily guide you through the custom clearance process. Their team will prepare all necessary documentation, including custom forms and declarations, and will work with local authorities to ensure smooth clearance of your goods upon arrival in the U.S. Virgin Islands. And finally, delivery and unpacking at the destination. Upon arrival in the U.S. Virgin Islands, SDC International Shipping will coordinate the delivery of your belongings to your new home. Their professional movers will carefully unload and unpack your items, placing them in designated areas according to your instructions. With their assistance, you can quickly settle into your new surroundings and begin the next chapter of your life in the U.S. Virgin Islands with ease and peace of mind.